So, still making some progress. Been working on this piece for quite a while now. Basically, I created the lip down there, you know, and I had to bend it. So I made little notches so I could bend her over. Catch on that little lip right there. Definitely got a couple hours in it. That's still got to get welded. Figure out my plate frame here. But just you know, basic hand tools and some time. This way it just sits, you know, on that lip. I'll drill some holes and put some plug welds in there. Not perfect, still needs some tweaking, but not too bad. Don't mind the booger welds, you know, they'll be cleaned up still. Yeah, we'll just act like we didn't see those. It's not bad though.